Really, Vicky Donkey Kiko? Look at what Vicky Donkey Kiko called me. He called me Canned Pig and Kiko. Really, Vicky Donkey Kiko? You cannot call me a Kiko. That is rude. Vicky Donkey Kiko, you're such a bully. You're such a bully to me. And Vicky Donkey Kiko called me Canned Piggin. Really, Vicky Donkey Kiko? Really, Vicky Donkey Kiko? You're Vicky Donkey Kiko? Vicky Donkey Kiko? I hope you'll be banned from my channel forever. I hope you'll be banned from my channel and never come back. Because you're such a bully to me. You kept on bullying me. Really, Vicky Donkey Kiko? You need to stop calling me Canned Piggin Kiko. You need to stop calling me a Kiko, Vicky Donkey Kiko. And Vicky Donkey Kiko called me Canned Piggin. Vicky Donkey Kiko, you need to stop calling me a pig, and you need to stop calling me a Kiko. Vicky Donkey Kiko, I hope you'll be banned from my channel forever and never come back. Really, Vicky Donkey Kiko? You are a UTTP user. You're not nice to me at all. And you're not nice to me at all. So I want you to be banned from my channel and never come back. So goodbye, guys. Have a great day.